Hello, this is Short Me Tina once again from shortmetina.com, doing a video recap for ticker NVCN. Right now, what you're looking at is a daily chart. Let's focus in the month of April. I've done several videos on NVCN, so if you really want to know sort of like at the heart of my thesis, you can just go back, go to shortmetina.com, look for click on I believe it's hot stock picks, and just go through all my NVCN video recaps. But if you have been paying attention to my videos, then you know, in my opinion, I think we're going to retest this low of about 0.030. And again, the stock seems to be drifting there. Very little buying stepping in, just mainly selling. And so I think we can get a bounce at around this area of 0.034. Stock continues to put in lower lows for the month of April. We went as low as about 0.4 today, which has been the lowest we've traded in a while. Stock didn't breach that level. The bulls kind of stepped in, was able to hold it up for a bit, but the fact that we closed at 0.041 says to me next week, unless we get quote unquote good news or someone steps in, it looks like it's going to be revisiting I think it's all-time lows of 0.030. At that point, if you're on the sidelines and you want to go long, it might be a decent place to go long. I think you'd get an initial bounce. However, considering the stock is acting like this, if it even gets to 0.030, I think at that point capitulation might actually step in, meaning that investors who've been in this, for a couple of months or maybe even a couple of years might be fed up at that point and may just decide to just unload their shares, which might potentially cause massive selling. We're not there yet. I've seen this play out so many times before. For the folks that are in this, hopefully that does not happen. So going into Monday and next week's trading, definitely pay attention to that 4 cents level. The fact that we closed so low, right? The fact that we closed so close to the low of the day says to me that there's a chance we're actually going to retest those lows and perhaps breach it. And at that point, we might see 0.030. But we're not there yet, right? The markets, it's a very dynamic entity, meaning that there's so many players. Every day is relatively different. So we have to see what happens on Monday. So that's it. Head on over to shortmetina.com, sign up, become a member. Thank you for listening. And as always, thank you for the support.